Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Akbar Afridi, and today in this video I will be telling you about that what is errors when it comes in accounting. So first of all, did you know your trial balance can balance perfectly and your books can be still wrong? This sounds scary, am I right? Today we are breaking down one of the most important topics in ACCA, which comes up in FA1, errors. And by the end of this video you will be able to know and spot name of every type like a pro. Let's get into it. So first of all, um my name is Mahmoud Akbar Afridi, and errors is a topic that trips up to a lot of beginners, okay, mainly because the names sound similar but the meanings are totally different. So today I am going to break it into two simple buckets: errors that do not affect the trial balance, errors that do affect the trial balance. Let's start with bucket 1: errors that do not affect. These are the sneaky ones. The debits and credits still match, so the trial balance still balances. Okay, but the entries are wrong somewhere. There are six main types of these errors in where it do not affect the trial balance. Error of omission: a transaction is completely left out of the books. No debit, no credit, nothing recorded at all. For example, you forget to record a cash sale entirely. Actually, what I think is that if you forget to record it and you have made a bill and it is being uh, gone to the record of the government, so you can have loss. But if no, so it isn't a loss because you didn't have to pay tax, which is the main problem. But you have obviously to charge money. Error of commission: the entry is posted of the correct type of account but the wrong specific account. Example: a payment to supplier Ali Traders is posted to Ahmad Traders instead. Both are supplier accounts, just the wrong one. Yes, obviously if you do this mistake, so there could be any kind of like you could say mishap or lead to any misconception between the two traders. Error of principle: this one is bigger. Money is posted to completely the wrong class of account, breaking accounting rules. Example: buying a delivery van is recorded as an expense is instead of an asset. Yes, sometimes if you are going to buy something, like if you go and buy a plot and you build a structure, an office over there, so it isn't an expense, it is a, you can say, an asset, because it is being under the name of the company and use an asset. It is not expense, because if you want to grow big, you want to build, so that is obvious that you have to buy something and then you have to do things. Error of original entry: the correct accounts are used but the wrong amount is entered in both the debit and credit. Example: a sale of 450 is recorded as 540 in both accounts, so obviously it will make a very big loss for the company because you have to pay more tax. And the if you are making a profit of a, for example, $10, so that will go in tax, so zero profit. Compensating errors: two separate errors happen to cancel each other out, so the trial balance still balances by coincidences. Example: sales are overstated by $100 and purchases are also overstated by $100. Error of complete reversal: the correct amount and correct accounts are used but the debit and credit are swapped. Example: a cash receipt is debited to cash and credited to sales but it is recorded the exact opposite way. Errors that do affect the trial balance. Now this was that does not affect the trial balance, like if it's okay if there are human errors everywhere, but it would not affect the things that I told you. But now if you will do these mistakes, so obviously they are going to make you suffer. Now the second bucket: these errors cause an imbalance, meaning your trial balance would not add up, and that's actually a good thing because it tells you something's wrong. Common at the end it would not add up, like it would, the final thing that you are going to have it, you will not get single entry error: only a debit or a credit is recorded, not both. Casting errors, a simple addition mistake when totaling a ledger account. Transposition errors, digits are swapped, like writing 450 instead of 450, 540 instead of 450. Extraction errors, a balance is copied incorrectly from the ledger into the trial. So this is all like errors that happens. There are specific types, but it is not, but if there is a chance that you can make it correct and save everything. So this was the topic for today. Thank you for listening, and from tomorrow we will have a video on laptop. Today there was issue, so that's why. Thank you for listening.